We have here with us Joshua Jackson, a pivotal part of the Georgia team that gave them the win over Calabar. A tough game. Joshua, how do you think about your performance today? And what won't you remind when you hit that one time at goal?
Well, the team started out slow. The game was kind of coming from both sides. Coming onto the field, I came on the mindset to lift my team, to go there, execute, do what I'm supposed to do, which is score goals. So when I got the opportunity, I just put my head down, put my foot to it, and just knew that God willing would hit the back of the net. That's what happened.
Well said. Well said. At halftime, I knew that the conversation from the coach should be in the likes of let's get the spirit up, because for sure, as I said, the team started off really slowly. What do you think would have caused the team to start off that slow? Was the concentration issue, or the players just weren't feeling it?
From the warm-ups, the team looked a bit dead. We weren't in the mood. I think we might have underestimated the match on the day. That's something that we as a team have to fix. Going into the rest of the games for this first round, we have to ensure that we get 3 points. So going into the game, we're a bit under it, but as the game progressed, everybody started lifting up their heads. As I said, I came on the field to try and help the team, and successfully in the end we got 3 points and I had a decent match.
Yeah, well said. Last thing though, I realized that the team kind of changed a little bit different. They start hitting the ball at you more direct than what they normally do. Was that a tactical instruction from the coach?
Not necessarily. Usually when I'm on the field, coach tells me to be the target man, so they get the ball to me and then I play off my midfielders. So the goal, that was not really the goal, that's not what I was on the field for. But I just came on the field and tried to help the team in any way possible. And as you said, that's what you saw, so that's what happened.
Alright, well said, and good game again, yeah? And see you next time.